Hello guys, this video will help you while removing the fuel injector in G63 AMG. So this car have engine M177 V8 8-cylinder engine. So this is the right side, and right side is the engine control unit installed and lot of wiring. So just you have to disconnect the connectors of wiring and push one side. So this side have 4 injector connectors and 4 camtronic and 2 ignition coil and 1 rail pressure and temperature sensor. So these are the connectors, just you have to disconnect. And then fuel pressure line, just you have to push one side and disconnect from there, and little bit just you have to more difficult while removing, because this wirings are you cannot push properly because it's very hard to push or very less space here. So slowly just you have to push. And this camshaft sensor also just you have to disconnect, and this actuators of camshaft is also here. So wiring, if you will disconnect, then it's more easy. And also one have one pressure sensor and temperature sensor on this intake manifold. So that's also you have to just disconnect the connectors, then little bit just slowly you can push and remove this complete rail pressure and temperature sensor. Then you will get the more space to remove this fuel injector with rail. So this all injectors are Bosch.